I don't think I've ever had a dark night of the soul. It was just, that's not true. I was at a, I think, I forgot what it was some event, but I was wearing those fiber, I was so desperate to not have it look like the way it is. And I had to wear my hair up, completely up, spiked. And so I had to put little fibers, the hair fibers that makes it have more volume. And I just remember I put so much that it looked like black. Like my hair's brown, but those looked black, those corners looked black. So I was walking around and it just looks terrible. Like it was so, people probably wouldn't have even guessed if I didn't put it on that I was insecure about my hairline. But at that point, when they can clearly see that you did something to it, A, they now know you're insecure. B, they can see the damage you have done to your own head. And I remember a friend of mine who is not even going bald, he came up to me and he went, "Hey man, you're only supposed to use a little bit of that stuff in your hair." And I was like, "Cool, man." And when he said that, I was like, everybody here knows about this. So that was definitely like a moment I was like, okay, I gotta do something about this, because that's pretty brutal. It was double-edged sword, because on one hand I was like, oh, it was good because I know that he has probably dealt with this also, but it was bad because I knew that I didn't do it the right way. And that was, yeah, it was almost like he was like, hey man, he was like almost like calling me an amateur in hair loss. He was like, in hair, hiding hair loss. He was like, yeah, this is what you do. This is what you do. And so yeah, that was not great.